Hello engineers, Radhe Radhe. So engineers, welcome back to our YouTube channels and must welcome back to our PLC logic tutorial. So इंजीनियर्स आप सभी कैसे हैं? मैं आशा करता हूँ आप सभी अच्छे होंगे और स्वस्थ होंगे. So actually in this video you are going to just discussing about simple conveyor with jam detection. Actually you have to just see any conveyor in the industry. So you have to just with jam detection means there is a traffic. So jam means traffic, understand? So this type of logic today we are going to just learn about and discussing about on this PLC logic tutorial. So today is 89 day and in this day I am going to just discussing about simple conveyor with jam detection. So which type of topic, which type of content is currently here? Let's see. We'll create a PLC program for simple conveyor with jam detection. We have to just create a PLC logic program for simple conveyor with jam detection, and these are the following points. You have to just logic with this instruction. Understand? First, the conveyor should start moving when the start button is pressed. When you have to press start button, then conveyor will be start. And second, if the sensor detects no movement of, of parts for 5 seconds indicating jam, the conveyor should stop and alarm should turn on. Understand? Second point is tell us if the sensor detects no any movement, there is no any movement, then for 5 seconds it indicates jam, means it indicates traffic, and the conveyor should stop. Then after 5 seconds conveyor will be stop, and alarm should turn on. Understand? And also alarm will be generate. And third point is the conveyor should not restart. The conveyor will be not restart until the jam is clear. When traffic is clear, then conveyor will be start. When you have to press start push button. Understand what are going to? Let's see example. Mm, this is the conveyor line. This is the conveyor line, and here is a L type conveyor, and this is a state conveyor, and here is a jam sensor, and it is also known as traffic sensor. When any materials come from this point to this point, this point, this point, and then reaches this point, and it takes only 5 seconds. It takes only 5 seconds, and after 5 seconds there is no any material detect, and when sensor no detect any material for 5 seconds, then conveyor will be stop. Conveyor should be stop. Conveyor should stop. Understand? Conveyor should stop, and alarm should turn on, and when you have to restart means you have to when you have to press reset button, then conveyor will be stop, and after that alarm should be stop, alarm should be off, and after that 5 seconds conveyor also will be stop, and when you have to just press start push button again, then conveyor will be start. So let's I am going to just create a logic of this PLC logic. Understand? So first of all I have to create this logic in Studio 5000 software. Understand? You have to also create this logic in TIA Porter, Delta PLC programming, Mitsubishi PLC programming, and XYZ PLC programming. So now I am going to offline, and 88 logic also I have discussed in previous day, and now I am going to create a new program, that new routine, and this routine name is 089, and its name is going to simple jam detection. Simple jam, simple conveyor with jam detection, simple conveyor with jam detection, simple conveyor with jam detection. Control C, and going to I have to just paste it simple, and then I have to click OK. this is 89 number routine, and now I have to create a PLC logic in this routine. And then I have to take one start PB and then take one output. It is going to start PB 89. Start PB 89. I have to just create this tag, and then this create tag will be created, and this is conveyor 89. When you have to press start push button, then conveyor 89 will be start. Understand? And second is control C, control V. Understand? Jam sensor. It will be going to jam sensor feedback. Jam sensor create, and it is going to jam sensor jam sensor FB feedback, and this is going to OTE only output. Now I have to create this jam sensor feedback, and after that I have to just take one rung again, and in this rung I have to just, when the conveyor will be start and when the jam sensor feedback will be come. Understand? When conveyor will be start and jam sensor feedback will be not coming, XIO, jam sensor feedback will be not coming, then going to I have to take timer. Why I have to take timer? Conveyor will be start and jam sensor feedback is not coming, then timer will be counting timer counting will be going to start. And now I have to just create this timer and create, and it seconds preset time equal to 5000 millisecond, 1 second equal to 1000 millisecond, and 5 second equal to 5000 millisecond. Understand? And favorites, and then going to I have to take timer, and timer 89 done bit, timer 89 done bit. I have to take just timer 89 done bit, and conveyor should be stop. Conveyor should be stop, and this instruction OTU. U means unlatch. U means unlatch. Conveyor should unlatch, and when conveyor should unlatch, then alarm should turn on. Alarm should turn on. Then I have to take, and this is going to alarm. Jam alarm. Jam alarm. Understand? This is going to jam alarm, and then when I have to just take another routine, and here I have to just take when I have to press restart button, reset PB89, reset PB89. Understand? Reset PB89, then create, and then it's going to unlatch the jam alarm, and reset PB also going to just conveyor unlatch. Understand? You have to also take control C, and it's going to stop PB. Stop PB, but its requirement is not, so I have to delete it. Understand? Jam alarm unlatch. And when there is I have to just take NC. When jam alarm is not coming, then conveyor will be on start. Understand? Then conveyor will be start. Understand? So I have to create this logic in a Studio 5000, and now I am going to verify this logic. Understand? There is no any error. Then I am going to download this logic in Studio 5000 emulator. Understand? Then I have to click on download, then it will be going to download. Now it will be going to download the backup in Studio 5000 software, and then I have to just click on yes button, and then you have to go to 89 number subroutine. Here why it is not run, this is green, this is green, but this is not green because I am not call it into main routine, because main routine is very important topic in Studio 5000. Then I am to just going to Control C, Control V and 89. Then I have to click on it, double click, and then go to the 89 number. Then its name is simple conveyor with jam detection. Then I have to finalize this, and then I have to click on yes. Then going to 89 number routine, then it will be rung will be healthy. When I have to press start PV, that conveyor will be start and jam sensor will be not coming. Then jam alarm will be indicating alarm. Then you have to press start reset PV, then jam will be clear, jam alarm will be clear. When I have to press start button, then jam sensor will be coming, then it will be going to start. Then also when again the sensor will be going, then timer will be off. Then after that, then also next product will be come, then jam sensor feedback will be high. When again jam sensor will be high, then after that again jam sensor will be high. Understand? Again jam sensor will be also high. Understand? Again jam sensor will be also high. One by one material will be coming from another side to another side. Then now again jam sensor will be high. When jam sensor will be not come for 5 seconds, then jam alarm will be indicated and conveyor should be stopped. And then understand? And then you have to just reset this and start again. Then conveyor should be on, then jam sensor will come, then material will pass. When again jam sensor will become, after some time it will be coming again and again. When jam sensor not will be come for 5 seconds, then it will be generate alarm. And the alarm will be clear by when you have to press reset PV, then it will be clear. Understand what I am going to just understand, what you want to just discussing about with you. I hope you will be understand. You have to just not watch my previous video, then you have to click on it. It is just a very times heating system logic, and you have to just learn about PLC logic tutorial, then you have to click on it here. Thanks engineers, Radhe Radhe. We have to just meet with another PLC logic tutorial. Radhe Radhe engineers.